Grandma, I'm sleeping in here today.
No, you're not. I'm telling you right now. You're not sleeping in my bed.
Yes, I am.
You're not sleeping in my bed. No. You see what Mom? Take the iPad, iPhone, take everything, iMac. I don't care what you got. You can keep
Yes,
it.
scoot over. I'm sleeping
No.
in here.
Wait a minute. You can't sleep here. I can't do this. Come on, play. Do you have me on video?
No.
Please don't, because I'm
But I
tired.
am sleeping in here.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
I can't let you sleep in my bed. I'm used to being like, I want to do like this. I want to do like this. I can put my leg over there, take the cover off. I want to do this.
You can do that with me sleeping in
with
here.
you in here, I can't. And I just can't. Your hair, I can't.
What about my
I
hair?
just don't want nothing fuzzy nowhere.
What?
Nowhere. I just can't. I need to sleep by myself because that's what I'm used to doing. Sleeping by myself, no fuzzy,
No fuzzy
hair,
what?
Hair.
You have hair too.
And then you toot. You know, I don't know what you're gonna do. I don't want
No,
you in
I
here
don't.
doing. You need to be up in here doing it.
Nah.
Take the iPad, T. Just
I don't
take
want the iPad. I want to sleep in here. Scoot over.
No, I
Scoot
just
over.
told
Come
you
on.
3 times. No, forget it. Stop it. Molly, come get T.A.J. Get out, T.A.J.
No, I'm sleeping in here. I already
I
told
gotta
you.
be at work in the morning at 9:45. It's already 12 something. Oh,
Come on,
Lord,
scoot over.
Jesus, please don't act like this anymore. Please don't. Would you behave? Why you so bad? Dang. Money! Somebody better come get her. I'm tired of you. Tay, you don't need to sleep in here because it's really late at night.
That doesn't matter.
Your aunt has a bigger bed.
That's a non-factor.
No, it's not. It's a concept.
It's a concept.
Facts.
Nah.
Go sleep with your aunt. I can't do this. I gotta get up too early. I don't care. Do your little homework on your laptop. Go in the room. Sit down.
I'm taking the iPad.
I don't have a... Okay, take it. Here. Take it.
I'm
But
just
now,
playing.
I don't have a TV in my room on the wall. Aunt Moni does. Go watch Aunt Moni's TV, okay? Yeah. Good night.
I don't want to watch TV. I want to sleep.
Okay,
in
well,
here.
pray and go night. Mom's bed. You can't sleep in here. I'm not letting you. I'm too tired.
All right. I'm taking.
Good night. Toodles, please.